Oh my god. Get the net.
That's a good one, listen. Oh my gosh. Hey guys, Josh Carter here, One Objective Outdoors. I want to thank you guys for tuning into another video. This one it's shorter. It's a lot shorter video. We only fished a couple of hours for the Thursday nighter, so we had a good time out there. Like I said, we didn't catch a whole lot, but it was fun to be able to go out and just enjoy this moment with my daughter. To be able to do it with my daughter and my son, and them being involved with fishing and starting to really like it now, it means a lot to me because it's just, you know, a good opportunity to spend more time with them. So, but anyways, getting back to it, I didn't have time to shoot the intro, so here we are doing that right now. But things are starting to fire up there for Smith for me. I'm slowly dialing some stuff in. By the time y'all see our next tournament video, I'm starting to dial it in there. And I think I got some things I'm gonna start trying now. I think they're gonna start getting out there on that deep bite, so I'm really excited about that. But that's for the future videos. But like I say, we caught a few, had a good time on the water. But anyways, guys, hope you enjoy this video. If you do, please hit the like button, hit the thumbs up button, and let's go ahead and jump on into it.
Smell that? That's fishing. Ah, there's way.
There he is, look.
Oh, good job. Way, I'm ruining my line.
Smallmouth too.
Huh?
That's a smallmouth.
Oh, I thought you said you caught 2 out of 10.
There we go.
Hey, got him in the net. Okay.
That'll work.
Tell me you saying.
I think so. I think he's 14. He looks 14. He said, ow.
You want to grab the thingy?
What's that, baby?
The measurement in the box.
Nice little smallmouth. I wasn't expecting that on a buzz bait. Alright. First smallmouth of the year.
What's she doing? What's she doing?
Come on, 151. Come on, Dad. Put him in his red. Is there a red one in there?
Yeah, there's a red one. Why do we put him in red?
Because it helps him with cold. Then if we catch 3, then we got to call out one. They'd be like, all right, red one is the smallest one. So.
Oh, my God. Get the net. Get the net.
That's a good one, listen. Oh my gosh. It's a freaking giant.
Go.
It's a giant. We gotta take our time with him. Here, come on. Don't come up.
Have you known when they come up?
Need something? That was a freaking big one, girl. That was like a 5-pounder. Oh my God, that was like a 5-pounder. Look, get the net.
Have the net. This guy's coming.
Oh, I gotta be in the shot.
Shoot, I'm there for it. Yeah.
There you go. Good job, girl. There's number 2.
What if he's the fish that you had earlier?
This fish ain't the one I had earlier was way bigger than this thing.
I mean, at least you got another one.
Yep. That one.
Oh, you can see all of his like bones and stuff, like his gills on the side.
All right, guys. Got number 2. I'm gonna say he's probably about 2 pounds, something like that. We're gonna weigh it real quick. I forgot my light at the house, in the truck, so we can't film that much at night like I wanted to try to do, but it's 215.
Does that mean we can keep him?
Yeah, we're gonna keep him. It ain't the one that we lost earlier, I can tell you that. That one hurt. That one hurt. I'm still wanting to cry over that one. Alright, let's get the boy one out.
The blue one?
Yeah.
And we're putting that one in? Wait, not good, not cooking.
Alright guys, well I hope you enjoyed that video. Like I say, it was a grind. A lot of the stuff that I didn't even show in there, a lot of the spots that I normally fish at night this time of the year just wasn't producing. I don't know if there wasn't there yet or what. You know, like I think they're either behind. I don't know. I don't know what to say about them right now. I'm just, you know, and it's not just me. I mean, I've talked to a lot of guys right now that do really well this time of the year that are kind of behind too on the 8-ball, trying to figure out where these fish are at. Or, you know, you can go find the pound, 2-pounders, but it seems like to find that really big bite, it's been a struggle. Now, being that this video is a little later, I've already had a couple of Tuesday nighters and Thursday nighters and Friday nighters. The weights are starting to come up now. You can see the it's taking 15 pounds to win. Now I say 15 pounds. All these night tournaments, they're 3 fish limits. So if you see like on our Tuesday nighters, we're only fishing till it's from 6:30 to 10:30. So if you're seeing weights like 10, 11 pounds out of 3 fish, I mean, that's pretty good just for a couple hours of fishing. So don't think, oh man, y'all's weights are low, that lake sucks. No, it's just it's a 3 fish limit. So, but right now the fishing, like I say, has been a little tough. It's starting to fire back up a little bit. I think these fish are gonna start pulling out deep. So you're gonna see some of these night tournament videos now where we're kind of moving out deep and fishing rock ledges and deeper dock poles and all that stuff. So, but other than that, guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, share this video with your friends, and comment down below if you like to fish in Smith Mountain Lake at night. I love to hear your stories, or even if you want to kind of fill in a little juice and what's your favorite bait to throw at nighttime. So other than that, we'll talk to you later, guys. See you.